When stowing your hand luggage, we would be grateful if you could only place your large items or hand luggage into the overhead lockers. If you have any small items such as handbags, any laptops, jackets or duty-free items, we do ask that you keep these down with you. These are to be placed underneath the seat in front of you. This is to make space for the large trolley bags that we do still have coming on board. And when you are stowing your trolley bags, we would also be grateful if you could place these into the lockers wheels first, and this will help us to maximise our locker space and accommodate as many bags as possible. Once seated, however, please make yourselves comfortable and fasten your seatbelt ready for our departure. Do be advised that this is a no smoking service and we kindly ask you to observe our no smoking policy.
Checkout robotic is completed.
En route, reasonably smooth conditions we had on the way down. We're expecting much the same on the way back. Now Gatwick, possibly a bit windy and wet, but I'll give you an update as and when we have that weather. Do enjoy the flight, thanks.
We'd like to ask for everyone's attention, even if you're a frequent flyer, to take you through the safety features of our Airbus aircraft. In your seat pocket is a safety card indicating the exit routes, oxygen masks and life jackets. It also shows the brace position that you must adopt if you hear the instruction, brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 window exits in the center of the cabin, and 2 doors at the front. Low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Please take time to locate your nearest exit and note that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. In the unlikely event of having to use an escape slide, leave all hand baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. Whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated in case of unexpected turbulence. If there's a failure in the air supply, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will drop from the panels above you. Remain seated and pull a mask towards you. This will start the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Use the elastic strap to hold it in place. To adjust, pull the elastic straps on each side like this. Remember to put your own mask on before helping others with theirs. A life jacket is stowed under your seat in the event of a landing on water, and only when instructed through, remove it and place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. To adjust, pull the strap like this. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the aircraft. When you are outside the aircraft, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If the life jacket fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and a whistle for attracting attention. Remember not to inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. We also carry life cots for babies and life jackets for infants. Please now ensure that your seat back is upright, your tray table is stowed, armrests are down, window blinds open, and your seatbelt is fastened. May we remind you that all electronic equipment must be switched off for takeoff and landing. Some devices may be used when airborne. Please check the in-flight magazine for more information. Thank you for listening, and we wish you a pleasant flight with Easyjet.
En el bolsillo de su asiento se encuentra una tarjeta de seguridad en la que se indican las rutas de salida, las máscaras de oxígeno y los chalecos salvavidas. También muestra la postura de emergencia que se debe adoptar al escuchar las instrucciones Brace, Brace. Existen 8 salidas de emergencia, 2 puertas en la parte trasera de la cabina, 4 salidas de ventana en el centro de la cabina y 2 puertas en la parte delantera. Las luces en el suelo les guiarán hasta la salida. Busquen la salida más cercana y tengan en cuenta que quizás la salida más cercana que pueden utilizar se encuentre detrás. En el improbable caso de tener que usar una rampa de evacuación, dejen todo el equipaje de mano a bordo. El cinturón de seguridad se abrocha, ajusta y desabrocha según se muestra. Cada vez que se ilumine el símbolo del cinturón de seguridad, deberán volver a su asiento y abrocharse el cinturón de seguridad. Mientras estén sentados, les recomendamos que mantengan el cinturón de seguridad abrochado en todo momento en caso de turbulencia inesperada. Si se produce un fallo en el suministro de aire, máscaras caerán desde los paneles superiores. Permanezcan sentados y miren de la máscara. Esto iniciará el suministro de oxígeno. Coloquen la máscara sobre la nariz y la boca y respiren normalmente. Utilicen la cinta elástica para sujetar la máscara. Para ajustar, tiren de las cintas elásticas. Recuerden que han de colocarse su propia máscara antes de ayudar a los demás con las suyas. Debajo de su asiento encontrarán un chaleco salvavidas. En caso de aterrizaje en el agua y solo cuando el personal de cabina se lo exige, sáquenlo y pónganselo por encima de la cabeza. Pasen las cintas alrededor de la cintura y abróchense. Para ajustar, tiren la cinta. No inflen el chaleco salvavidas dentro del avión. Cuando se encuentren fuera del avión, inflenlo tirando de la hebilla. Si el chaleco salvavidas no se infla o necesita llenarlo con más aire, soplen por el tubo. El chaleco cuenta con una luz y un silbato para llamar la atención. También disponemos de unas inflables para bebés y chalecos salvavidas para niños. Por favor, asegúrense de que el respaldo de su asiento está en posición vertical, su mesa plegada, los reposabrazos bajados, las persianas de las ventanas abiertas y su cinturón de seguridad abrochado. Los equipos electrónicos deben apagarse para el despegue y el aterrizaje. Algunos dispositivos pueden utilizarse durante el vuelo. Consulten la revista para obtener más información.
required to complete a landing card to present with your passport on arrival into the United Kingdom. If you do require a landing card, don't hesitate to ask the crew.
Just going to give you a quick update on our progress. We're cruising now at 38,000 feet. Ground speed is just under 500 miles an hour. Weather conditions on the routes are good. It might be a little bit bumpy going into Gatwick, but absolutely nothing to worry about. Weather conditions in Gatwick, it's light rain and 6 degrees. We expect to be landing at a time of 10 past 12 local, which is 1 hour behind the time. We hope you enjoy the flight, and we wish you a safe and pleasant final journey. And we thank you for choosing Easyjet. Thanks.
We have products on board today by big brand names, including Jean-Paul Gaultier, Hugo Boss, Paco Rabanne, Bed Minerals, and Yves You can save yourself £5 or €6.50 today if you buy any 2 of our L'Oreal products. This does include the Revitalic Bathing Serum, the Volume Excess Mascaras, and the new BB Cream. Details of all our products and prices, they can be found inside the retail brochure, which you will find in the seat pocket in front of you. Also important, I'm giving you the chance to purchase Gatwick Express train tickets. This is an express service to London Victoria.